And I met you in the summer to my heartbeat sound. We fell in love.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you're on this video right now. So today we're gonna do something a bit different. Summer has finally come upon us. If you're in Canada, you know what I mean because it's been cold for so long. So I decided to do this fun little summery look and I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really like how this look turned out. It's really fun and kind of summery. So yeah, let's get into the video without further ado. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, like this video, comment down below because we love talking to you guys. And see you guys at the end. Hello beautiful people. So as always, I'm gonna start with a primer. This time I've actually been using this primer a lot, guys. This is from the VDL Lumilayer Primer and I really like it. It kind of gives my face a glow and I don't know, it's perfect for the summer. So I've been using that. If you haven't seen the video where I review this, go and check it out right now. So next I'm gonna go ahead and color correct my dark spots, and for that I'll be using my ABH cream contour kit and I'll be using the color Coral as always, and just basically color correcting my dark spots or my dark areas. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation. I think that's what it's called. I always end up messing up this name, but it's something, I think it's Vitalist Elixir foundation if I'm not mistaken, and this is in the color 657. I've been using this lately because with the sun I've been outside a little bit and I've kind of gotten a little darker. Not that much yet, but you know, I'm kind of getting there. So yeah, I've been using this foundation because it's darker than my VDL foundation, because that VDL foundation was really light and I can only literally use that for the winter. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure I blend it with my neck because it does seem like there's a bit of a color difference. And I applied it with my brush first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out with my beauty blender just because I like the finish that the beauty blender gives me. Moving on, it is time to highlight. So for that I'm going to be using my Nude still from the ABH cream contour palette, and I'm really running low on this nude, so I'm kind of sad, but I'm gonna have to stock up really soon. So yeah, I'm just using that and I'm gonna be highlighting my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow area, my chin, and of course right under where I would contour. And I'm gonna blend everything out with a beauty blender, of course. Next, I'm gonna cream contour, and I'm gonna be using the shades Cinnamon and Chocolate, and that's just because chocolate can be kind of harsh sometimes, or like a little too dark for me, I feel. So I like mixing them because it gives me the perfect shade. And yeah, I'm just gonna mix those two and apply that on my cheekbones, contour a bit of my forehead, my nose, and my jawline. And yeah, I'm just mixing those two, and I'll be blending everything out with a beauty blender as usual. So, because I ran out of my macchiato shade in the ABH um, contour palette, I'm going to be using this Huda setting powder, and this is in the color Blondie, and I've been using this lately, guys, and I love it. Like, it smells so good too, and I feel like it's perfect. It like sets my highlighted areas perfectly. If you thought that I wasn't going to use my ABH contour kit, you were wrong, because I can't go without it, in case you didn't know. But yeah, I'm going to be using the shade Espresso, and now I'm just going to set my contoured areas. Next, we're going to move on to brows, and for that I'll be using my Rimmel London pencil. And yeah, I've had this pencil for a long time, but I kind of put it to the side and started using my NYX pencil because I liked it better. But obviously I ran out of my NYX, so now I'm back to this one, and honestly it does the job, guys. So I'm just basically contouring the periphery, or drawing the periphery of my brows, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in. Moving on to the eyeshadow, before I start that, I'm going to go ahead and use my Nude shade from the ABH Cream Contour Kit and just basically pack that onto my lid, because I want this color to pop and really, like, you know, blind people. So yeah, I'm just going to do that and make sure that it's, well, it's not too patchy, and I'm going to make sure that it's dry before I go ahead and apply some eyeshadow. So the star of this show for this look is the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that shade Calavera. It's the only shade we're gonna be using, guys. And yeah, basically I'm gonna go ahead and pack that on, and just keep packing it on until I get my desired shade. And it took a while, like I had to switch between brushes because I wasn't getting the color payoff that I wanted. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, pack it on, blend it in, pack it on, blend it in, like just repeat that step. And then off camera, I went ahead and applied some eyeliner. The eyeliner that I used is from Nickak, New York. And I also applied my lashes from Ardell. And now I'm just putting some blush, the same dual blush that I always use. And then I'm gonna go ahead with that BH and Carli Bybel palette and just put that shade in my inner eye, in my inner tear duct, because I wanted that area to pop a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use that other golden shade to highlight the rest of my face, basically. Moving on to the lips, I'm gonna go ahead with that Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, the volume 1. I'm gonna be using that shade that I just pointed to, and I'm just going to use that to basically line my lips. Yeah, just because for this look I felt like it would be better if my lips would be lined, because I'm going for a nude. And then after that, I'm going to be using this True Matte lipstick by Nickak New York as well, and it's in the color Santa Fe, and I'm just going to put that in the middle, and of course kind of fix my lines there so that, you know, my lips look snatched or on fleek, whatever you want to say. And of course, lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Milani setting spray. I love this spray, guys. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is the final look, of course, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know down below which other videos you'd like to see, whether it's makeup, hair, maybe even a challenge, and we'd be glad to do it, you know. And yeah, if you decide to recreate this look, please, you know, tag me on social media. Make sure you follow me on social media and my sister. And yeah, just tag us, let us know, and yeah, I would be really happy to see your recreations. But anyways, see you guys in our next video. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Up in every bomb, Ram Town.